Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, it's the time of the year. This year is so early, I don't know why Costco have these, but they have a bunch of Maisto 118 special edition. Look, new casting, Lamborghini Revuelto, and a bunch of recolors, re-release, especially this one. This one has new livery on it. Some recolors. Oh, this is nice. Pontiac Trans Am, Shelby GT 500 white pearl white, and Bugatti Divo, some Porsche 911 Carrera. I have these on teal color, some Camaros, Lamborghini Countach, some Lamborghini Vision Gran Turismo. Yeah, I'm looking for the FXX LaFerrari, but I don't see any. Let's go here. Yeah, that's a bunch of recolors. Only the one that is new is the Revuelto CLK. I got this in matte black. F-150 truck. Vision. Yeah, so I guess it came early because it's a recolor and re-release. So there might be, as I've been on another Costco already, and they have 900 stock of these, and I called this Costco and they said they have 500. So I went here and got what I wanted. Only that one. Not the usual haul, but for now I'll take these Revuelto and wait until September or November for the they're gonna have again for sure. They will be like this again before Christmas, and probably hopefully they will have some new castings. So that's it guys, hope you guys enjoy. So we're back at home from Costco, and as you can see, I only took 2 cars out of everything that is there, because some of those cars I have it already and some of those cars I don't like, and this is the only new casting that I found. I think the Pontiac Trans Am is new as well, but I didn't like the color. And yeah, so this is Lamborghini Revuelto in lime green color. As you can see, it's very green, and let's open it. I'm not sure why they bring these early at Costco. It's only July right now, but I think they have a lot of leftovers last year. That's why they just recolor it and put it back for sale. So I'm guessing there will be another batch this October or November, hopefully, with some new castings. And let's see. I think the box for this is new. Seems new. Like before, doesn't have these. Has some speedometers image here. The box is, yeah, oh, okay. So it has a Costco address here. So I think this is exclusive to Costco. So if you buy somewhere else, it's gonna be a different box. So let's take a look at the model. Ta-da! Wow, nice. What? Look. Comes with an opener now. Nice. Never had these. Maisto never had these. Ever since. Now they're including it, which is nice. Because we might need one. Actually, I have a bunch, but that's good. Yeah, it's nice. So let's take it out from the base. So I wonder, those recolor and recast, what do you call this? Re-release. I wonder if they have a opener included on it. So if you guys get some from Costco, let me know if they have it. So underneath is same.